It's alive, it's moving.
Something about anyway, right on over there. Those are my buddies that I don't know. I ain't got no crystal ball.
In love with a really toxic girl. Yeah! How won't you take her in your arms and tell her that you love her? Won't you take her in your arms? Just hold it, woman, tight. Take her in your arms and tell her that you love her. If you're going to love a woman, just be sure to do it right. Well, we met her at a disco at a dive in San Francisco. All that is indifferent that he's seen her in daylight. She was painted, she was scented. She drove your man demented. Lord, that your father was sure to take her right. Take her in your arms and tell her that you love her. Take her in your arms, hold her woman tight. Take her in your arms, tell her that you love her and you're going to love her. It's a pub with fun and laughter, and the landlord's quiet belly. There's a session in the corner and the crack is cracked. Your man who lost his hook, still in hope, lamenting him in honor. Ask his father up to you. Say take her in your arms, tell her that you love her. Won't you take her in your arms? They'll hold that woman tight. Take her in your arms, tell her that you love her. You're going to love her. Sure to do. Now depression's not a million laughs, but suicide's too dangerous. Don't go leaping out of buildings in the middle of the night. It's not the fall but landing that'll alter social standing. So go first and ask your father, I'm sure he's and take her in your arms. Tell her that you love her. Won't you take her in your arms? Hold that woman tight. Take her in your arms. Tell her that you love her. If you don't love her, it's concerned. Won't you take her in your arms? Tell her that you love her. Won't you take her in your arms? Hold that woman tight. Take her in your arms. Tell her that you love her. If you're going to love her, then just be sure to do it right. Yeah!